we're going to take a dive into one of our key features, liking and upvoting content. Trust us, it's more than just giving a thumbs up. Liking content helps create a vibrant learning community where knowledge flows freely and everyone benefits. When you like a piece of content, you're giving it a virtual high five and showing appreciation for the knowledge that's been shared. This positive feedback encourages creators and motivates them to keep sharing valuable insights. But that's not all. Liking content has some awesome benefits for your company too. When valuable content receives likes and upvotes, it rises to the top, making it easier for others to discover and learn from. It's like creating a treasure trove of knowledge that benefits everyone. By engaging with content and showing your appreciation, you become a knowledge influencer. So what are you waiting for? Start spreading the love and knowledge with First.